Halibrand's rolling into the 21st century with a full line of flow-formed aluminum wheels for your 2017 to present Tesla Model 3. Offsets and widths have been tailored specifically to your Model 3, ensuring an aggressive fitment without the worries of rubbing. This allows you to install a wider than stock wheel under the rear of your Tesla, enhancing the appearance and improving the traction and handling characteristics of your vehicle. Choose a set of Hyper Kinetics HP003 wheels in silver or anthracite finish. Both come clear coated for durability and increased protection from the elements. At Halibrand, we design our wheels using a computer simulated design process known as finite element analysis. The FEA process helps us detect stresses induced on the wheel due to static and dynamic loads. With this information, we're able to design a more durable wheel with excellent fatigue strength. Halibrand prides itself on detail, so it's no surprise that we took the extra time to machine that unique counterbore that's required on the stepped hubs found in the Performance Model 3. We're also known for our innovation and technology, and our Hyper Kinetic HP003 wheels are no exception. Halibrand wheels are manufactured using a process known as flow forming. This technology stretches and compresses the aluminum by applying pressure to the inner barrel of a heated wheel while it's spinning. The final product is a wheel that's nearly 5 pounds lighter than the factory wheels, yet stronger with an increased tensile strength for greater shock and impact resistance. With Hyper Kinetics HB003 wheels, you can choose the balanced look with a set of 19-inch or 20-inch wheels all the way around, or change it up with a variety of offsets for the staggered look. Whether you want to stick with the 8.5-inch wheels, or maybe you want to put a little more rubber to the pavement and choose our optional 10-inch wheels for the rear of your Tesla, you simply can't go wrong. If you want to improve the look of your Tesla even more, consider installing a 1-inch lowering kit from Rakudo. Engineered for a comfortable ride with improved handling, a set of Rakudo 1-inch lowering springs will help your ride stand out. Road noise is more noticeable with electric vehicles, so choosing the right tire is a big part of the total wheel solution. Our Teslas are wearing Michelin acoustic technology tires for a quieter ride. These tires were specifically built for electric vehicles and have extra sound dampening built right into the tire. Halibrand's T3 wheels will accept the factory and most aftermarket lug nuts. They also include a center cap, or you can reuse the Tesla cap style unit. For fitment and availability of your next set of hyperkinetic wheels from Halibrand, visit us at holley.com.